Deconstructed pallets are often dismissed as rough, utilitarian waste, yet within their weathered boards lies a powerful opportunity to redefine how modernist furniture and decor are conceived, valued, and sold. The decision to transform discarded industrial pallets into sleek, modernist pieces is rooted in both practicality and philosophy. Pallets are among the most abundant forms of industrial cast-offs freely available in warehouses, construction zones, and distribution centers, and they carry a visual honesty that aligns naturally with minimalist design principles. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. When approached with intention, pallets cease to be symbols of temporary transport and instead become raw material for sustainable luxury, where restraint, proportion, and surface refinement matter more than excess ornamentation. The act of deconstruction is the first creative gesture, demanding patience and respect for the material, as each board must be carefully separated, nails extracted without splintering the grain, and hidden cracks or stress marks revealed. This slow dismantling process encourages a deeper dialogue with the wood itself, allowing the maker to read the timber's history through scars, discoloration, and texture, and to envision how these imperfections can be curated rather than erased, reinforcing the modernist belief that truth to materials is a form of elegance rather than a flaw. Once liberated from their original form, pallet boards invite a radical shift in perspective, where design begins not with a rigid blueprint, but with the inherent dimensions, grain patterns, and tonal variations already present. Modernist furniture thrives on clarity and intention, and reclaimed pallet wood offers a surprisingly versatile palette for achieving this clarity when thoughtfully milled and aligned. The challenge lies in refining rough, inconsistent stock into cohesive surfaces that feel deliberate and premium, a process that requires precision milling, careful edge jointing, and an eye for balance rather than uniformity. Instead of forcing every board into identical perfection, successful modernist pallet designs embrace subtle variation, arranging boards so grain direction flows calmly across a surface, or using tonal contrast to define edges and negative space. This approach transforms limitation into design language, allowing minimalist tables, shelving, benches, and wall-mounted decor to feel grounded, warm, and authentic while still maintaining the clean geometry that modern interiors demand. Innovative joinery plays a central role in elevating pallet wood from scrap to high-demand home accents, as the way pieces come together often defines their perceived value more than the material itself. Traditional fasteners are deliberately minimized or concealed, replaced by joinery methods that emphasize structure and intention, such as floating tenons, half-lap intersections, or precision-cut dados that allow components to interlock seamlessly. These techniques not only enhance durability, but also communicate craftsmanship at a glance, signaling to buyers that the piece has been thoughtfully engineered rather than hastily assembled. In modernist pallet furniture, joinery often becomes an invisible framework, enabling clean lines and uninterrupted surfaces that highlight proportion and negative space. This restraint creates visual calm and elevates the overall aesthetic, allowing reclaimed wood to compete confidently with high-end furniture made from virgin materials. Finishing techniques further refine the transformation, bridging the gap between industrial origin and contemporary luxury. Raw pallet wood, once cleaned and stabilized, responds beautifully to finishes that enhance rather than obscure its natural character. Modernist sensibilities favor matte or satin surfaces that absorb light softly, avoiding glossy coatings that distract from form and texture. Natural oils, hard wax finishes, or water-based sealants protect the wood while preserving tactile warmth, making each piece inviting to touch and use. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Thoughtful finishing also involves selective sanding, where edges are softened just enough to feel refined without erasing the evidence of the wood's past. This balance between refinement and authenticity resonates strongly with modern consumers who value sustainability, but also expect durability and sophistication in their living spaces. The appeal of modernist pallet furniture extends beyond aesthetics into narrative and ethics, offering buyers a tangible connection to sustainability and responsible consumption. Each piece tells a quiet story of transformation, where industrial cast-offs are rescued from waste streams and reimagined into objects of daily use and lasting value. This narrative enhances emotional attachment, encouraging customers to view the furniture not as disposable decor, but as meaningful investment pieces. In an era where mass-produced furniture often lacks individuality, pallet-based modernist designs stand out precisely because no two pieces are identical. Subtle variations in grain, tone, and texture become markers of authenticity, reinforcing the idea that luxury is not defined by perfection, but by intention, care, and longevity. From a profitability standpoint, deconstructed pallets offer an exceptional balance of low material cost and high perceived value, especially when paired with disciplined modernist design. The abundance and accessibility of pallets reduce upfront investment, allowing makers to focus resources on craftsmanship, tooling, and finishing, which directly influence market appeal. By designing furniture and decor that emphasize simplicity and function, production time remains efficient without sacrificing quality, enabling scalable creation of high-demand items such as minimalist coffee tables, shelving units, stools, headboards, and wall accents. These pieces integrate seamlessly into contemporary interiors, appealing to urban dwellers, eco-conscious homeowners, and design enthusiasts alike, all of whom are willing to pay a premium for furniture that aligns with their values and aesthetic sensibilities. Modernist pallet decor also thrives in smaller, versatile formats that maximize material yield and minimize waste, further reinforcing sustainable practice. Offcuts and shorter boards find new life as wall-mounted art panels, floating shelves, or sculptural accents, extending the design language across an entire collection. This cohesive approach strengthens brand identity and increases perceived professionalism, positioning reclaimed pallet creations as intentional design offerings rather than one-off experiments. When presented thoughtfully, with clean photography and storytelling that emphasizes design philosophy and craftsmanship, these pieces command attention in both physical and digital marketplaces, standing shoulder to shoulder with high-end contemporary furniture brands. Ultimately, transforming deconstructed pallets into modernist furniture and decor is an exercise in disciplined creativity, where constraints sharpen rather than limit design vision. It demonstrates that sustainable luxury is not about excess or novelty, but about reimagining what already exists with care, precision, and respect for material truth. By focusing on innovative joinery, refined finishing, and minimalist form, reclaimed pallet wood transcends its industrial origins and becomes a medium for enduring, profitable design. Each finished piece serves as quiet proof that thoughtful making can redefine value, turning ubiquitous cast-offs into sought-after home accents that reflect both modern living and responsible craftsmanship. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.